How to save a filter on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save any filters you see on your Snapchat account. So, without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you are using latest version of Snapchat. If not, hit over to Play Store at the top search, where type in Snapchat. If you see updates S here, update your app once, then tap on Open, then you will see this page under here. Tap on Explore icon under here. Choose any filter that you would like to save. Now here to save a filter. Just hop on the heart icon on your top left. Now this has been added to your favorites. Then go back to your home screen. Tap on any filters that you would like. Then you will see favorites icon at the bottom of the page, just beside your For You icon. Just tap on favorites and it will show you all the filters that you have saved. And this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below, and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.